Scotty.
Bobby.
I was trying to let you down like I do daily, but I had to make...
No, you don't let me down, ever.
Yeah, I had to make a comment of, I got to talk about these tires.
Yes.
And this is definitely an issue that we have constantly
Yep.
with customer cars here. This is a big safety concern.
It is.
And I am really getting tired of seeing this because nobody seems to grasp the concept of, they got plenty of tread. That's cute.
And it's not the customers, it's what they're being told.
Well, sometimes it's the customers. Anyway, not this one. This one knows better.
Yes.
Frank knows better.
Frank is very good. I agree.
I've known him a long time. He's smart enough to know better.
Yep.
But...
Are you sure about that?
Yes. Okay. 05/11. 5th week of 2011.
Damn.
First week of February, basically, 2011. Like I said, these should have been thrown out long before COVID happened.
Oh, yeah.
If people think that this is safe, look at this cracking and dry rot. Come on, focus, damn thing. Anyway. There, oh yeah, there it is. Ugh. These are not safe. Like, going around the block is sketchy enough, and you already had sketchy brakes, which are more than likely resolved. I'm going to test drive it here in a little bit. But not safe. Not safe at all, ladies and gentlemen. And I think they're all that way. Let me go around the car and see. Just because this type of thing irritates me. Because this is safety. You're not just endangering yourself. Yep, 05/11. Because, I mean, if you're endangering yourself, who cares? That's your problem. But you're endangering everybody. Would you endanger Scotty's life? Well,
I would.
of course we would.
Some poor little muskrat that doesn't know better. Living on the edge.
Living on a prayer. Anyway, so far 3 out of 4, 05/11. And the last one here, oh, shock, 05/11. So,
At least they're all matching.
yeah, at least it's a matching set, but way out of date. Right, Scotty?
It's a matching set of
Death
Death
Traps?
by Hornet.
Pretty much. They're 13 and a half years old.
Yeah, that's bad.
They should have been thrown out, I'll be nice and say 6 to 7 years ago. And usually we're like 5 years here.
Absolute max for a set of tires.
Yeah.
And
maybe,
that depends
maybe
on
6.
where it's stored too.
Maybe 6. Some guys go 10. They're getting risky. Most tire shops won't touch anything 6 years old or older.
Yeah,
So.
they'll tell you have to replace it.
Yeah. So these tires, I don't care how nice they look, how pretty they look, how much tread they have. Frank, you need to replace these.
Yeah, I've got to do tires on my car.
And-
They're just creeping up on the 6-year mark, and that's it. I'm not taking any chances.
If Frank wants us to do it, we will. I'll let him know. But if he wants to do it on his own, that's fine too.
Yep.
But if I see you at a show, Frank, I'm going to come look at your tires. And if your tires are on it, I'm going to take your ignition coil and your keys.
Oh, bring it back to me.